In 2019, the Dad's Resource Center conducted 2 separate surveys which found highly insufficient record keeping and oversight at the county level in the issuance of protection from abuse orders. These often impact fathers' capacity to be active in the lives of their children. These results reflect how our institutions are passively enabling the deterioration of father-family involvement. Because the misuse of orders of protection from abuse to gain advantage during custody battles is a tactic that many fathers who've reached out to the Dad's Resource Center have faced, it dug deeper into the issue. It found that according to a 2016 staff study by the Joint State Government Commission of the Pennsylvania General Assembly, it's frequently alleged, anecdotally, that false claims of domestic violence are filed and PFA orders are obtained as a tactic in divorce custody proceedings. The Joint State Government Commission report noted that if these events occur, the law provides legal remedies and that the Protection from Abuse Act specifically states that nothing in it precludes an action for wrongful use of civil process or criminal prosecution for falsification and intimidation. The Dad's Resource Center then contacted all the district attorneys in the state of Pennsylvania to see if their offices had prosecuted anyone for doing this since January 1st of 2010. The results of this outreach were very informative. Once again, there was no consistency in record keeping or reporting. Because of this, many were unable to provide answers to any questions. Some of the offices relayed that it's difficult or even impossible to prosecute because it's so hard to prove. However, some of the DAs were candid in telling the Dad's Resource Center that both in private practice and during their time in office, they had seen PFAs misused for this purpose. One naturally wonders why these situations are the opposite of all other legal matters. There seems to be very little consequence from filing a false PFA, and the person accused is presumed to be guilty until proven innocent. There's a lack of due process from the very onset, as the initial PFA request is usually approved with only the accuser being present. Even worse, when misused in this way, the issuance of a PFA can change the father's role forever and may cause irreparable harm in his relationship with his children. Good fathers and their children shouldn't suffer because of the few bad ones, and the system that's meant to protect and safeguard children shouldn't be distorted to deny them the love and care of their parents.